today is our career day, and we are going to make some blood today.
What do the red blood cells look like? Moons. What does half a moon, what do we call half a moon? Sickle. Sickle. What condition?
Sickle cell anemia.
Yeah.
Can you think of different careers that are in the healthcare field? Doctor, what? Nurse, anesthesiologist. That's a good one. They make good money too.
Oh no, that's great. You're losing some blood though. You're bleeding. You gotta keep your blood together.
So there's many misconceptions about blood. So our slime that we're gonna make is going to represent our blood. So the slime is the plasma.
If you have any of these conditions, your ability to give blood changes. Your gel looks different than anybody else's in this classroom. And you can play with it and you can make it, but understanding actually what you're looking at changes, and that's why every single person in this room is different. We're not just gonna give blood, we gotta know a little bit about them because it changes our game plan of how we save a life.
We're gonna have red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Can anyone tell me why do you think we have more red blood cells than white blood cells in this baggie? There are more red blood cells than white blood cells, right? What do our white blood cells do? Okay, go ahead, Zoe.
They help fight off foreign bodies like viruses.
Right.
Red blood cell. It helps carry oxygen throughout the body, and it helps us move and survive.
Does anybody in here plan on becoming a nurse or a doctor of any kind? So phlebotomy is a great career to get into, a job to get into, so that you can help yourself get what you need to become a doctor or a nurse.
What we do as social workers, we connect them with resources to make sure that they get to their healthcare appointment. So a social worker is super important. Sometimes we think healthcare, we think doctors, and they're the most important thing. No. From the security guard to the person that checks you in, to the person that sees you, grooms you, to the doctor, everyone's just as important. So I hope that you guys consider a role in healthcare.
In county, somebody has to pay the bills, right? There's health, there's human resources people.
You're right though, this is cancer. What is going on here that you see that's different than these other pictures?
The little spots.
Yeah. This is called a Rouleau formation. What we're talking about is multiple myeloma. Okay? And it's a cancer that looks and makes this smear on a red blood cell. So you would see it in your actual goop that you have here.